life. So we are going to look at the transforming power of prayer, the changing power of prayer. In discipleship, Bazalwane, we are here to help each other to grow into becoming more committed and loving followers of Jesus. So when we are discipling each other, we are helping each other to grow and to be more committed. So the first thing we're going to talk about is prayer. Prayer, Bazalwane, focuses on connecting you to God. Prayer is beyond making just a request. Prayer has got to do with God working on you. To the end, you must become a better version of you. A person who is outside of prayer, no matter good qualities they have, everyone has got the possibility of bringing a bad version of themselves. So the person you are sitting next to has got many versions. It is only prayer that brings out the better and best version of yourself. So prayer helps us to focus on God and not on your challenges. Prayer makes you to focus on what? On God. Because when you focus on your challenges, it weakens your convictions. It weakens your faith. It makes you to lose focus on God's presence. So prayer makes you to focus on God. And one of the assignment of prayer you need to know is that the more you pray and you are focusing on God, there is a staying power that is deposited in you. Anyone who prays more, they have got what is called the staying power of prayer inside of them. What does that mean? It means that even when you don't get the response of God on your request, you still learn to value His presence. Because when you enter into prayer, even though you are going to ask a car, you are going to ask for health, you are going to ask, as you are entering, asking for request, number one, before your request can be answered, you enjoy the presence of God. So one benefit of prayer is that the moment you enter into prayer, prayer has got the ability to download the presence of God into your life. So even though you get a yes, a maybe, or a wait, you know good, but I enjoyed the presence of God. So prayer is useless if it doesn't connect a person to God, Bazalwane. Prayer must connect a person to God. So our main purpose as we are learning about prayer today is that prayer must build intimacy between you and God. And that intimacy must be translated later into transformation. Prayer always must bring us into the more I'm going into